Hello everyone, this is Rachel from QH Knowledge. Today let's take a look at this 2000 watt portable battery. Let's take a look at the buttons in the battery. This is power button. This is AC on and off button. These are 14 volt AM AC ports. These two are PD 60 volt ports. And these four are QC 3.0 USB ports. These three are AC output. Now let's take a look at the back. Open the case, we can see the internal construction. This is a power button, and there is a capacity indicator light. And here is a handle for easy carrying. Parameters of battery. The battery's rated power is 3000 watt. Its rated capacity is 2264.4 watt-hour. Its working temperature ranges from 0 to 40 Celsius degrees. It has a 500 cycle life, 1 year's guarantee. We also have 330 watt, 500 watt, and 1000 watt portable battery for you to choose. All of the items will go through 100% inspection before shipping out. We are making thousands of these items every day. We already have several branch offices in many countries, and we are finding big distributors all over the world.